Welcome to Atlantic Gardening. Atlantic Gardening is a locally owned garden center in Raleigh. You can shop indoor plants, you can get pots for your plants, you can make your own bouquet at the floral bar, you can grab a drink and walk around. There's so much more here that you can do than you would expect. Inside our garden shop, you can find a huge variety of indoor containers, as well as lots of plant-themed gifts for Christmas. We also have a floral bar where you can make your own arrangement, and we have a garden bar. We are the only nursery in Raleigh that has a garden bar. We have local beers that we switch out weekly, and we offer glasses of wine and mimosas. You can grab a drink, walk around, shop anywhere on the property. We have a huge tree and shrub department, as well as annuals and perennials. We have a greenhouse with lots of varieties of indoor plants.
Fall is one of the good times to plant here in North Carolina. The weather is cooling off, but the ground is still warm. We do try and get plants locally as much as possible because plants that are grown here have a better chance of adjusting to our yards. When you come to us, if you buy 5 or more trees and shrubs, and it can be any kind of mixture, you will get 20% off of the purchase. Should you need to come in and fill up your flower garden, if you buy 5 perennials or more, then you get a 20% discount.
When you come into the greenhouse, either you start in here, which is the potting room, and you pick out one of these pots, or you start in there and you pick out a plant. And we're very, very selective about where we get our plants from. I spend a lot of time, going online, trying to find new vendors, making actual personal visits to places. I do have to travel and see the quality of these plants and make sure that this is something we want to represent Atlantic. Probably one of the biggest things that we educate on is repotting. So people will bring their plants in here and we offer a repotting service. We show them how to make their own soil, how we make ours, and talk to them about fertilizers, how to not damage the plant, how to tell from the roots the health of the plant and the structure, and we take them through everything. We do a lot of educating.
You can come to the flower bar and buy flowers by the stem and make your own arrangement.
So I have a nice selection of flowers in different buckets. Some are local and farm fresh flowers. I source locally when I can, and people come and build their own bouquet. So we have a nice selection of vases on the wall, and we have bouquet bags if you have a vase at home. And you can just, make your own color scheme, pick your own textures, and we have flowers mostly at $3 a stem. I change out weekly. You'll never come and see the exact same thing weekly.
My favorite part of working here is being here on the weekends when the bar is busy, the music's going, and everybody is just having an awesome time shopping, hanging out with their family and friends, and just enjoying the experience that they get at Atlantic.